My brothers and my sisters on our road, this is a beautiful sister, Laminato Sanko, the one and only. The original, no duplicate. Any other Laminato, a carbon copy. My brothers and my sisters there, me and my sister Marisa Onko, we talked this morning, we had to go work. We discuss something we very, very important. You know, Marie tried for corner me, but I say, no, Marie, I need to take corner. I say, enough is enough. I say, I don't know for you, but for me, I feel say enough is enough. I say, everybody knows say, we na SLPP supporters. I say, when the election come, as a matter of fact, I say, we campaign day and night. We did live till 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. We did live, the campaign. I say, I even dream, say me brother name win, Madabio. I say, when Madabio win, the inauguration, who feels something, you go invite we. You no need for buy tickets. Make it just send a beer invitation. Let we say now, oh, no get money for buy tickets. But he did not invite us. I said, you know, invite we. Christmas come. Me brother Madabio, you know, even send Christmas wishes. New Year come. You know, send Happy New Year message. So we. So now me y'all Laminato Sanko, me writes as SLPP supporter. I dey sell them. It on the market today on the shelf. You know there, $50,000. Because I hear you say APC them buy sans man, but $2 million. So do you na big me the big? Laminato Sanko. I don't the SLPP. I don't see better. So me now, me your rights as SLPP, I ready for sell them. Hey, if na APC want buy me, I dey go. If na NGC want buy me, I dey go. $50,000. Me no dey ask for 2 million. Now that one dey no more bet me wants. Even me birth certificate, me date of birth, when on November 13, 1965, we are born. I ready for sell them. I can sell and then I can get January 1st, 1962 or 1961. Anyone where the party wants for make I get, I will get them. Hey, if na APC wants one by me, I dey go. If na NGC one by me, I dey go. And then guess what? Even to my last name, right now, also the thing sweet safe. Mama no de, papa no de, me na orphan. So for make I sell my last name, me made a name, now quick. Right now, I can name Laminato Kamara, Laminato Sise, Laminato Bangura. Trust me. As a matter of fact, you know what the thing can find safe. Eh? I no get me de party. Me party de all na timini and limbade. Majority na timini people de and limba people de. Me friends them. So even me tribe as a mende, I can ready for sell them. Because what you do, we the mende then we boku na SLPP. Other tribe than the SLPP, don't get me wrong. But we the mende then we boku na SLPP. So me, even me tribe mende, I can sell them. I can become timini. I can become limba. $50,000. Money talk, bullshit work. We don't campaign, say inauguration can no invite we. Christmas come again, no message, no phone call. New Year's come again, Ebo no, enough is enough. Ebo, no. So me, I don't tell my sister Marisa Onko. I say, Marie, me, I don't know for you. But me who say APC or NGC, then can put that $50,000 low one. I say, me no want million. I no want 2,000 million. Now $50,000 no money me want. I say, I am gone. Sealed and settled. As of now, we are the talk to una so my brothers and my sisters. Laminato Sanko, I declare myself as a Fontoba. I am no more SLPP supporter. As of today, when I listen to this video, I am a Fontoba to the highest degree. Me not to SLPP no more. Again, me not to SLPP. I declare myself as a Fontoba. Even my social security number, if they want make a seller, I will still sell them. Give APC or NGC. I am no more SLPP supporter. So when I make sure so when I pass this video, I want to make this video make it go viral. Anybody ready for buy me? APCO, NGCO, when I bring the $50,000, lay and done at the table. I am gone, sealed and settled. $50,000 when I bring and come, clean one when I lay at the table. I don't go. I don't go. I'm ready for sell me rights as SLPP supporter. Please, when I feel free for share this video. I don't ready for go. I beg. If na APC name by me, I am gone. If na NGC name by me, I am gone. Me made the name ben. I mean last name. I don't ready for seller. Oh yeah? Me first name safe. When I can call me Kadiatu, I can call me Memuna, when I can call me Mariama, any kind name. When I can call me. Me last time, when I can give me Kamara, Bangura, Sise, Conte. I dey go. Most of me party there, not too many people there, not Limba people there. So the transition will be so smooth. I dey tell you, I am dead serious. Lamina to Sanko, I declare myself. As of today, when I listen to this video, I am a Fontoba. Lamina to Sanko is a Fontoba. I am a Fontoba. Anybody we want for buy me, any party we want for buy me, una can buy me. I am a Fontoba. Me not to SLPP supporter anymore. Me not to SLPP supporter. We don't campaign. Inauguration come, they no invite we. Christmas come again. The ordinary Christmas wish. We not get them. No call. No video, WhatsApp message. New Year come again. No Happy New Year. No message. No. Lamina to Sanko. I declare myself as a Fontoba. I am no more SLPP supporter. They are big. NGC, when I look Lamina to Sanko, I didn't at the shelf. APC, when I look Lamina to Sanko, I didn't at the shelf. Me not to SLPP supporter anymore. Any party we can buy me $50,000. I am ready to go. I'm ready for go. I don't tell you now. My date of birth safe. I was ready for sell if they want to make a change. My name, that my last name. Papa no dey, mama no dey. Nobody know they go tell me. So that my last name. If they want for buy am, I'm ready for sell am. Even me tribe as a Mende. If they want make a turn to Timini, make a turn to Limba, I am so ready. $50,000. That's all it takes. Even my social security number won't ready. For long I don't say yes, Amina. I go sell them. I am no more SLPP. I don't come out studio. Lamina to Sanko, now look at me. When I was me pin me down. Me not to SLPP supporter anymore. Right now, anybody ready for come buy me. I ready for go. $50,000. If na APC, una look me, una don't get me. If na NGC, una look me, una don't get me. So right now, I am a Fontoba to the highest degree. I'm not in a non-party. I am a yo-yo. A yo-yo. Fontoba to the highest degree. Anybody who can buy me right now, I'm ready for going to a party. $50,000. But on a very serious note, I drop everything for be SLPP. I am no more SLPP supporter. I beg, I don't declare myself out of SLPP. No more SLPP supporter. APC, NGC, when I want buy me, when I come, $50,000. Please, I serious. I swear to God. I mean every single word where at the talks. I mean them. Because this is very painful. I mean every single word where at the talk. If you tribe Mende, I'm ready for come out inside the Mende for go inside Timini Olimba. I'm ready for give them up. Yes. Because Mende people now we boku inside SLPP. Now we plenty. So that one day if they come for Kabai Muna Salamina to one may turn Timini, one may turn Limba, when look me, I'm ready for turn. Anything you take, I'm ready for turn. Yeah? I am no more SLPP supporter. I am a Fontoba. When I feel free for share this video, please. Lamina twist now a Fontoba.